So again, we don't know what you're training for. We don't know what your interpretation is. We don't know what your past life was. We don't know your peaks and valleys of your life. Try to stimulate greater than your greatest peak on this next move right here. Okay. So what you're going to do, if you can raise your arms above your head, get your arms above your head. If you can't and you're here, you're going to keep them here and you're going to bring your hands away from the center of your body, wherever they're at on your range of ability. Okay. So I'm going to go above head because I can. We're going to do it for 10 to 20 seconds down to pull your chest up. Elbows are locked. It's not a pull-up. It's a shoulder blade pull-up. Then there's another version of this. These are in my book. Drop, where you go up and you let yourself fall. So it's almost like jumping off of a box and landing. The amount of force that's created and the shock of it will increase the stimulus into your hands, spine, everything else. So you're just getting another stimulus. Again, it's just a variation of a hang. Single arm hangs, you're going to rotate, let yourself rotate